Hey there, welcome back. Today I will walk you through how to delete a column in Notion. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying organized is more important than ever. Notion is a fantastic tool that helps you do just that by allowing you to create and manage databases with ease. However, as you continue to use Notion, your databases might get cluttered with columns or properties you no longer need. This tutorial will guide you through the process of deleting a column in Notion, ensuring that your workspace remains efficient and free from unnecessary information. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to declutter your Notion workspace and customize your databases like a pro. Let's start by navigating to the Notion page containing the database you want to clean up. Whether it's a table, a board, or any other type of database view, it's essential to be on the correct page. Notion offers a flexible platform for organizing all sorts of information, but as time passes, you might find columns that are redundant. Perhaps there's a status column from a project you wrapped up weeks ago, or a tags property that doesn't serve any purpose anymore. So, make sure you're in the right place and viewing the correct database. Once you're on the desired page, take a careful look at the column headings at the top of your database. Each heading represents a property, and it's crucial to identify the exact column you want to remove. For instance, you might see a tags column that was useful in the past, but is now just taking up space. Before making any deletions, double-check to ensure that you won't need the data later. Reviewing a few rows might help confirm your decision to delete. When you're certain about which column to remove, hover your mouse cursor over the column heading. Notion conveniently places all property controls right there on the heading name. Click on the heading, such as Tags, to reveal a menu with various options. If you're new to Notion, don't worry. This menu is designed to be user-friendly. While there are several options available, our focus is on cleaning up your database by deleting unnecessary columns. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Delete Property. It might be necessary to scroll down a bit, as this option is typically located near the bottom. Clicking on it tells Notion that you're ready to remove the selected column and its associated data. At this point, you might feel a bit anxious, especially if this is your first time deleting a property. But rest assured, it's a simple and straightforward process. Notion is designed to prevent accidental deletions, so it will present a confirmation prompt. Take a moment to read this carefully. If you're absolutely sure that the data under this property is no longer needed, perhaps because you've backed it up elsewhere or it's genuinely obsolete, you can confidently click Delete to proceed. However, if there's any doubt, consider downloading the database or copying its contents to a secure location first. Once you confirm the deletion, the column and its data will be removed, leaving your workspace cleaner and more focused. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an unnecessary column, streamlining your Notion database for better efficiency. This cleanup not only helps with daily organization, but also makes it easier to locate the information you need in the future. Think of it as tidying up a cluttered drawer. Removing excess items can make your workflow smoother and more effective. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to delete a column in Notion. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe so you never miss an update.